It's Wednesday, my dudes.
The Loftus and Palmer car crash study. The Loftus and Palmer car crash study was performed in order to study the effect of information given to witnesses and how it affects their accounts of the incident, specifically, misleading information. The study's hypothesis was that the language used in eyewitness testimony can alter memory. The study was done by taking two groups of participants and showing the participants clips of cars crashing, then asking the participants questions on the clips. The different groups were asked differently framed questions, such as how fast were the cars going when they smashed into each other, or how fast were the cars going when they contacted each other. The differently framed questions led to different results given by the subjects. The subjects asked the smashed question gave a higher speed than the contacted group. The conclusion to the experiment was that the difference in framing led to altered memories or perceptions as to what had happened, known as confabulation.
Hey, I'm kind of bored.
Yeah, me too.
You want to do an experiment or something?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Here's an idea. We get two cars.
Okay, I like where this is going.
Yes. And we crash them together.
I love it.
Yeah. Okay. And then we do this. We take two people, and we ask them questions about the car crash. And to really mess with them, we ask one guy different questions from the other guy, so that one guy has different memories. And then we just call him stupid and laugh at him.
I like the way you think. I love messing with people.
All right, let's do this.
Let's do it.
What is this? Oh, God. Okay, stop. Okay.
Did you see that Asian lady T-bone that guy's car?
I did. I saw the whole thing. The car went vroom, and the other car went vroom, and went kapluit. And that Asian lady, the one you mentioned, she takes full responsibility for that accident.
Did you see the accident shared between those two drivers?
Yeah, I did. Actually, I saw both cars just driving at a moderate speed, and then this guy accelerated, and this guy accelerated, and they went boom.
Did you know it was two men driving the cars, not an Asian woman?
Oh, you got me all mixed up in the head now, boy. It makes me up mixed up my wife and my cousin. Very beautiful woman. Well, our first witness was given an accurate version of a car crash, and she gave us, in return, an unbiased account of the incident. Although our second witness was given a biased account of the incident, we discovered that not only was the witness racist, he also altered his story to match ours.
This is my contribution.
See? Film this thing.
I'm trying to film this thing.
Okay, well, my B-roll shot.
Stop!
I want to see who wins.
Drop the water.
Don't you drop the water on me.
Drop the water on you.
Don't you drop the water on me.
Okay.
I like how there was no decided winner until they got a hold of the water bottle. Cameraman number 2.
Asian
And
lady.
Lulu.